So how early a career teacher learn how to develop informal research practices? This is a very difficult question because I think that what is actually needed is to change the perspective, on what it means to teach, and also to learn what it means to do research, which is not that obvious. I mean, it's to get into the mentality of how to organize research, what it means to do research. For example, to have a guiding research question, or to develop an hypothesis, to collect first data and then to verify the data, is an attitude that doesn't come natural. So I think the first thing to do with the early career students, teacher to be, is to help them on appreciating the value that the research would add to the teaching practices. And and this would imply also change of mentality of what it means in teaching. I don't know if you agree.
Yes, and I also think that early career teachers should have the possibilities to practice this kind of research-informed practices already during a pre-service teacher education, so that they would have possibilities to test and experiment and design a variety of experiments and practices together with teacher educators and other student teachers, so that they know how teachers can do this kind of things, and what is reasonable and what is possible, and what kind of practices can work, and how I as a teacher can investigate whether my practices work or not, and what kind of research base I can find for my practices. So I think that experimenting, testing, receiving models from experienced teachers and receiving models from research that has been conducted. So I think that through all these kind of activities, early career teachers can develop research-informed practices for their own teaching.